In this video, I'm going to be teaching you about Venn diagrams. So if you have a problem like this one that says, put the diamond in the Venn diagram, let me first explain to you what a Venn diagram is. So you have these two big black circles, right? And in this circle here, all the shapes are circles. And in this big circle, all the shapes are purple. So what are the things that these circles have in common? They have in common purple circles, and that's the overlap of the two circles here, right? This is the overlap. This is the area that the both circles have in common. So if you had to put this diamond somewhere, where would you put it? Well, you wouldn't put it over here because over here there's only circles. Even in the overlap area, it would have to be a purple circle, so you can't put it here. Over here, there are all different kinds of shapes, and they're all purple. So I think that's where we should put it. So it would go here. So that would be the answer to the question, to put it in the correct area. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewind the video and watch it again.